How to fix Echo Dot not recognizing music or sounds. So first of all, if your Echo Dot is not doing this properly, the common causes are a muted microphone, weak Wi-Fi, loud background noise, or even just a wrong wake word. So the first thing you can do is to check if the microphone is muted. Look for a red light on the Echo Dot, and if it is red, you're gonna have to press the microphone button to turn the mic back on. Next, you're gonna have to restart the Echo Dot. You can unplug the Echo Dot from power, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. And this can clear temporary glitches that stop Alexa from hearing or processing sounds. You can also go ahead and check the Wi-Fi connection. So open the Alexa app and check if the Echo Dot is online. If it is disconnected, it's not gonna say that. And just try reconnecting it to Wi-Fi or restart your router. And if you think this is the case, you can also reduce the noise and move the device, just in case there's lots of background noises like from your appliances. Look how they're posted up like that. So move the Echo Dot away from TV, speakers, fans, or some noisy appliances that makes it too loud for the Echo Dot to hear any other kinds of things. So Alexa might not clearly hear you or your voice or the sound you want it to recognize. Finally, you can check the Alexa settings and try updating the app. So in the Alexa app, you can go ahead and check the device's wake word. Usually it's just gonna be Alexa, but you can try to do a sound detection or routine setting and make sure the app is updated. You can do this in your App Store or Play Store, and if there's an update option, just go ahead and update the app itself. So those are a few things you can try if your Echo Dot is not hearing properly. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.